video is about Sino-Korean words. Sino-Korean words are the Korean words that are originally from China. When you are learning Korean, Sino-Korean words are something that you cannot ignore if you want to reach a certain level. Because we Koreans use a lot of Sino-Korean words in formal occasions, and you are considered more intelligent when you are using those kinds of words. In this video, I'm only gonna give you some examples of Sino-Korean words to give you guys a glimpse of Sino-Korean words. The word 감사 from 감사합니다 is actually from the Chinese word 感谢. 감사, 感谢. 한자, that means Chinese characters, are actually from the Chinese word 한지. 한자, 한지. The word 식당, that means restaurant, is actually from the Chinese word 食堂. 식당, 食堂. The word 음식, that means food, is actually from the Chinese word 饮食. 음식, 饮食. 도서관, that means library, is actually from the Chinese word 图书馆. 도서관, 图书馆. They are very similar, right? I only showed you 5 examples of Sino-Korean words, but there are so many Sino-Korean words in Korean. So please, when you are learning Korean, don't ignore Sino-Korean words just because they are difficult. They are really used a lot of times and they are very important. Bye!